Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on the Dell Vostro. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps for a comprehensive review and maintenance of your laptop. First, let's gather the tools you will need. For this task, you will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, isopropyl alcohol, and microfiber cloths. These tools will help you safely open the device and clean its internal components. To begin, power off your Dell Vostro and disconnect it from any power source. Next, remove the screws on the back panel. Typically, there are around 10 screws, so make sure to place them in a safe location for easy reassembly. If you're unsure about the number or type of screws, refer to your user manual. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips. Inside, you'll find the battery, hard drive, and cooling system. Start by inspecting the cooling fan for dust accumulation. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any debris. This is crucial for preventing overheating. If you feel uncomfortable performing this step, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device remains in top condition. Next, let's check the hard drive. Carefully detach the hard drive connector and inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, it may be time for a replacement. Don't forget, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. After checking these components, let's clean the keyboard and screen. Dampen a microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe down the keys and screen. This not only improves aesthetics but also enhances functionality. Before reassembling, take a moment to check for any loose screws or components. Ensure everything is secure, as this can prevent future issues. Once satisfied, reattach the back cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Now, if you don't have the tools or the time to perform this maintenance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of no calls, no travel, making the process seamless and efficient. Finally, once everything is back in place, power on your Dell Vostro and check for any system updates. Keeping your software up to date is just as important as hardware maintenance. This ensures maximum performance and security for your device. In conclusion, with these simple steps, you can maintain your Dell Vostro effectively. Regular maintenance not only prolongs the life of your laptop but also enhances your overall productivity. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.